Hello, everybody. Yes, you're almost welcome to my YouTube channel. This is IT Smart. Yeah, so those of you who haven't subscribed to this channel, please do because there is a lot to learn from here. So, yeah, earlier on I shared and I was like, I'll be sharing with you people a few tips on how to enhance your computer skills. So, today we're going to be looking at Google Meet. I guess most of you have interacted with Google Meet itself. Yeah, Google Meet is used to host meetings. It's used to host video calls. People use Google Meet for video calls. So actually, Google Meet works like Zoom, though it has different some just a few specifications that are different from YouTube. So those of you who have PCs, you can use your Google Chrome in order to log into the Google Meet. So yeah. Mm. As you can see, this is our Google Meet that we are opening. So yeah, this is Google Meet itself. I don't think most of you guys. Let's go back and see how it. Yeah, so this is the Google Meet. This is its icon. This is how it looks like. So let's log into Google Meet. Yeah, so as you can see, Google Meet is used to host video calls, meetings for everyone. Yeah, so if you're hosting a meeting, you can come here and new meeting. It has many options. Create meeting for later, start an instant meeting. This one, start an instant meeting, just start immediately, then schedule in Google Calendar. Yeah. So first of all, we have to get a link for our channel. So we can use create a link. So this is a copy. You have to copy the link so that you can be able to send it to different emails. So yeah, the link is already copied. So sometimes we need reminders. We need reminders on how to start our the Google Meet. So we can our Google meeting. So you can come here to schedules calendar, Google Calendar, schedule in Google Calendar. So schedule in Google Calendar acts like a reminder in case just in case you forgot. You can come here and add description. Let me say it's an exam. That's a description you can take. So over here, this is a link. This is already a Google Meet link. So it's already copied. That means you can use this very calendar as if it reminds you can still log into the Google Meeting through the calendar since the link is already copied. So from here you can add guests. You see through Google Meet you can add different guests to join your meeting. After that you can save. So when it's saved, sorry, you had to make a calendar. You can undo this, I guess. Yeah, can undo it. So back to our description here. Like I said, it's exam. You see the time frame is here. You can change the time frame, maybe 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. Yeah, or you can anything that you want. So you're seeing you've already customized the time. So from here, I add the guest and everyone. Actually, from up here, you can add a title. Let me say meeting. So that's the title I've added. So you can save it like exactly. So you can see here the meeting has been saved to the calendar. So once you want to log in, you can just tap in, continue this permission to display notifications. So you see we did you can now alter the settings that are going to help you to start the meeting from here. So yeah, that's all about the calendar. So yeah. So I've seen how the calendar works. So back to our meeting. Now we want to start a instant meeting itself. Yeah, you can actually go back for So when you want to start now a live meeting, you've sent the links, you're now waiting for your class, or you're just waiting for your people, you can start an instant meeting like as you see it here. So it's already showing that you're joining it. As you can see, my mic, hmm? My mic is muted. It's here. You have the power to unmute. The video is off. Copyright. Copyright. You guys have these captions. You've seen them in movies. What I talk is what comes. So hey there everybody. Nice to meet you. So you guys can already see this. So these captions, you can add captions in your meeting or you can remove them. Yeah, so you have the power. So you can also use emojis, laughter, what. So Google Meet is just exploring different things. You can present here. When you're presenting, you can present your file, you can share anything. Here, raising a hand. So when you're a host, I don't think you need to raise a hand because you're just hosting. It's your people. Here are more options. Here are the people who have joined in your meeting. As you can see, I'm the host alone, but when people join, you can see here you can add different people. But since you sent an email, you can use it. This is live. You see, you just tap on someone and you send an email. I think that email is sent already. So yeah, basically that's how Meet works. Here and add others. You can add others here from the emails. You just tap send email. The email will send with the link because the link is over here. So I think you guys have already seen that. Here you can chat with everyone. So as a host, you have the right not to chat with them or to allow only yourself to be the only one who's writing. Yeah, as a host, you have the power. Yeah, you see host management. You can share the screen, you can send chat messages, send reactions. Yeah. So basically, I think that is all what Google Meet is about. Very interesting app you guys should explore. So yeah, over here this is pinning. You can pin your contacts. Whoever is in the meeting, you can pin them. You can apply visual effects. This is on your this thing. This is on your profile picture itself. You can pin your profile picture. This thing. So yeah. So here you end a meeting. This is leaving a meeting. As a host, you have the power to leave the meeting. Yeah. So we left. As you see, it has left the meeting. You can rejoin from here and submit feedback. Yeah, I guess that is all what Google Meet is about. If you've really learned something, please share, subscribe. Please share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell in case you don't want to miss out on any content. Till next time, ciao.